Hey Guru Nation, how's it going? Wanted to do a quick video for you guys. I know you like these short ones. Still gonna do the long one. Don't worry for all the long video slash podcast fans out there. Make sure, by the way, before anything else, please, we're trying to break the algorithm. We're trying to destroy the algorithm. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. If you don't know what to comment, put a robot emoji. That'll be fine. Today, somebody texted me. Anybody, yes, anybody can do this. 949-415-6256. They said, "Hey, I just became a site regulatory coordinator. I wanted to know what my long term opportunities would be on this career path. I aspire to be a project manager someday and want to know if the position would lead me there." The good news is, yes, this job not only can it lead you to project manager, it can lead you to anything in research. The site level is the most important place I think you can a researcher can hone their skill set. At the right site, it's going to make a bigger difference than at a site where your progress is going to, or you're leveling up. You know, in video games, when you play and you level up your characters, your leveling up is going to be faster at the smaller sites. So I Googled what is a site regulatory coordinator. So I don't just tell you it's a regulatory. Okay. Um, the regulatory role is manages and executes the site identification process and performs regulatory startup and maintenance in accordance with regulations, SOP, and project requirements. So they prepare and manage site regulatory docs, review and negotiate site regulatory docs with CROs and sponsors. There's no negotiation in regulatory. Um, Maintain, review, and report on site performance metrics, serve as the primary contact for investigative sites. So this one looks like it's actually a regulatory coordinator for a larger clinic. But basically, regulatory coordinator is regulatory startup, regulatory maintenance, and regulatory closeout. So on my webinars, on my videos, all on regulatory, you got to know everything. You got to know how to maintain these things. You got to know how to originate these documents. You got to know how to close them out at closeout visit. Remember, SIV activates the study, then maintenance is during the course of the study, and then at closeout, obviously, close out the regulatory. Not only can this lead you to project manager, but it can lead you to a lot of other things like CRA, in-house CRA. If you really want to be a project manager, I think that you eventually need to get into the CRO space. So either work for a CRO or for a sponsor. Because at the site level, unless they're really big sites or academic medical centers, they don't really have project managers. So your goal, if you really want to be project manager, is to level up as quickly as you can from site regulatory coordinator to anything at a CRO. I think the lowest hanging fruit for you, or the easiest thing that you can transition to, would be study startup specialist at a CRO or in-house CRA. From there, you can get to project manager assistant, and from there, obviously, project manager. Now, if you wanted to go the route of a CRA, it's a little bit different. You got to go from regulatory coordinator at a site. I would go to study coordinator at the same site. Or if not the same site, another site that's going to hire you as a study coordinator. And from there, you can go to CRA. So depends on the career path you want to take. That's going to depend on the jobs in between. So for you, regulatory coordinator, to be a project manager, I wouldn't even say to worry about being a regular study coordinator. I would say go to CRO, study startup specialist, or in-house CRA, or remote site monitor, or really anything you can at the CRO level. Plenty are hiring. So get your experience now. Do it for about 6 to 12 months, and then apply to CROs in your case to be a project manager. Good luck. Let me know how it goes. Talk to you later. Bye bye.